Khichdi is India's ultimate comfort food, and you don't have to be an auntie to make delicious khichdi. Here are the ingredients you need to make this recipe. I have links in the description where you can buy the ingredients for this recipe. Remember to check the international foods aisle at your local American grocery store because they carry many of these ingredients now. If you want a written recipe, go to cooklikeanauntie.com/khichdi to get the digital and printable copies. Link in the description below. Start by putting half a cup of white rice in a large bowl. Then add half a cup of the whole green mung dal to the bowl. Wash the rice and dal 4 or 5 times until the water runs clear. Then add enough water to cover them. Cover the bowl with a plate and let it sit for at least 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes are over, discard the soaking water. Add the rice and dal to a pot. I'll be using my Instant Pot today. Then add 4 cups of water. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and about 1 teaspoon of salt. On the Cook Like an Auntie spice rating, this is a kid-friendly recipe. It's not very spicy, and it's a healthy recipe kids will like while connecting with their South Indian culture. If you're cooking in an Instant Pot, use the pressure cook setting for 30 minutes on high pressure. There are also 2 other cooking methods if you don't have an Instant Pot. You can use a pressure cooker. In this case, cook until you hear 4 whistles, then turn off the heat and let the pressure release before opening the pressure cooker. Finally, you can use a regular pot on stovetop. Cover the pot while the rice and dal cook and make sure the water is at a gentle simmer while cooking. You want to cook for 45 to 60 minutes or until you see the rice cooked well. After the rice and dal are done cooking, heat a small pot over medium heat. We're gonna finish the khichdi with the tarka. After the pot is hot, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. If you don't have ghee, use a neutral oil like vegetable oil or peanut oil. After the ghee is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Cover the pot because the mustard seeds will pop. Once the mustard seeds are done popping, add a pinch of hing and as much ground black pepper as you want. Finally, add about 10 curry leaves and cover the pot again. The curry leaves may sputter back. Turn off the heat, then pour the ghee and spices over the rice and dal. Mix everything together and you're ready to eat. Most people enjoy khichdi with yogurt and pickle. Did you know that there's a Cook Like an Auntie podcast? This week's episode talks about why khichdi is India's ultimate comfort food. Check out the link in the description to listen to it. Remember, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. This channel focuses on homemade Indian food in North America. Thanks for watching and see you next time.